Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be unboxing and review of a product. Yes, the product which is useful for most of the people nowadays. If you are having a YouTube channel or if you want to start a YouTube channel or want to record any sort of videos, then you need to have a good quality mic. Yes, so today's video is going to talk about a mic, a good quality mic, best and the cheapest mic under ₹1000. So we are going to see right from unboxing to the review, like how it is working. So if you want to know how the mic is going to work for you, you need to watch the video completely. So do watch the video till the end. Do not miss anything. So without wasting any time, let's just get into the video. So this is what I received from Amazon. I have already opened the seal. So here we have this Boya BY-M1 mic. So this is a small pack. Such a cute one, and you can see the image over here, and on the back of this pack we have got some features written over here. You can just go through the features written over there, and there are also some specifications given, like about the connector, the battery, everything. And the MRP is 1995 given here, but I got this only for ₹799 from Amazon. So you can also get this at the same cost from Amazon. You can also buy that from any other apps too. It's also available in other apps. It's not same as MRP. So let's see what's inside this pack. It's been almost 1 month that I am using this mic, and I must say that the quality of the mic is really excellent, the sound and everything. So we have got a warranty card and also user manual booklet given here. You can just go through the booklet if you need. And here we have the small pouch given. It just fits in my palm. This is of leather quality, and inside we have got the parts of the mic. So let's see one by one. So we have got all the parts separately in this small packet again. So let's open one by one and see what has been given to us. So we've got an adapter, a foam windscreen, then we have this clip-on clothing clip, then we have LR44 battery, and then finally we have Boya BY-M1 lavalier microphone with the connector, and also the cable is of 6 meter long, I guess. So now let us understand every part in detail, how to use them. First we have this adapter. So this you can connect it to any DSLR camera of the same connection part. And here we have foam windscreen. So this is really useful because it just stops any additional background noise that when you're recording. So you have to just fit this into the mic given. This foam windscreen really helps in cutting the background noise when you're recording any kind of videos. I'm handling this little gentle because it's like a sponge. So if you do it hardly, that would tear. So yeah, finally I did it. So the mic is ready, and here we have this power pack. Here you can see the option given, camera off or smartphone. So I'll just explain it to you. If you're using a smartphone, you can just put it in the off mode, and if you're using in the camera, you have to press it to the camera mode. And here let's open this power pack. Here we have this battery compartment. You have to insert the battery here, but there is no need to install any battery when you're using it with smartphone. Use the battery only when you're using the mic with the camera or DSLR camera or any camcorders. With smartphone or laptop, there is no need of using the battery. And we have this long 6 meter cable, so it's super easy for you to handle it wherever you are. Using this cable, you can record the videos keeping the mobile or camera away in a good distance. And now here we have the clip-on clothing clip, and it's really strong. You can see that. So finally we have this LR44 battery included to use it in the microphone. So that's all the parts of the microphone here. So at ₹799, I think this is the best and the cheapest microphone we can ever have. So yeah, you can secure the microphone in the given pouch and carry it wherever you want. And now let's see how it works and how it is useful for us.